I'm Charles Haspel. I'm the Operations Director of Invertek Drives, and we're based in Welsh in Mid Wales. About 70% of the world's electrical energy is consumed by electric motors, so the control of these motors is very important. The sorts of applications we're involved with are materials handling, so conveyors, which might be airport baggage handling systems, anything where you want to control either movement or speed. We've had basically two forms of support from the Welsh Government. One is in terms of actually providing us with buildings. The other support which we've had has been focused on innovation. And we've been lucky enough to win several Smart Cymru awards over recent years. We're now looking at how can we use our knowledge of the market and this extra help which we get from the Welsh Government to look at what disturbance do we create on the electrical supply. And we will shortly be introducing a new product which is particularly strong on energy saving. We've been able to employ people who can look more widely into the research community and really look to find out what's best practice in terms of design. The innovation process is the heart of what we're now doing. It's the heart of what we will do in the future. We have to have great products. We're working with very big companies who are coming here and buying our technology, and we need to prove to them that the technology is put together in the right way, in the right place. We've been on a fairly aggressive sort of growth curve since we started the business, and we estimate that we will be doubling our turnover between now and 2017 to around £35 million. We want to be the best employer in the area, paying the best pay and with the best people. I believe the Welsh Government can help us in terms of the development programmes that we can have for our people. As a Welsh business and a UK business, we're doing the right things in terms of promoting our ability to manufacture, to market and to innovate new products.